Hello everyone, I'm Shobita Raghu, a life coach. Here is a small attempt through this video to make you feel better during these challenging times. Our lives have taken a complete shift from normalcy and it has affected our emotional well-being than anything else. Through this video, I want to talk about 4 ways that could help you improve your emotional well-being. We need to accept, appreciate, be compassionate, and love thyself. Accept. Accept the fact that sometimes your goals and productivity could take a hit because of the challenging situation and the emergencies we have to meet. Accept yourself completely, including your drawbacks. Appreciation. Appreciate wholeheartedly yourself for being able to cope with the current situation. It hasn't been easy for all of us. Also, appreciate the people around you who are working without a break. Compassion. The world has opened up an opportunity for compassion like never before. Spend some time in the day with your parents or elders at home. Make some time to play with your kids, no matter how busy your day is. You might mean the world to them right now. Call up a friend with whom you haven't been in touch for a while. Inquire about their well-being. Make sure to connect with someone you knew is not well. A few words of affection and care can uplift your loved one's mood. Self-love. Self-love could be very challenging for some of us right now. But if you practice the above 3, acceptance, appreciation, compassion, you will definitely progress towards loving yourself a little more. Love yourself no matter what. Look in the mirror and have a broad smile. We all deserve that inner child who is smiling and loving us all the time. I end by suggesting you to act on these steps shared in the video right away. Thank you.